Hi, I am Mrs. Carson. I am the graphic design teacher here at Park Hill South. I am excited to have your student this semester, and even though we have some changes with scheduling, with hybrid learning, I promise that we're going to have a great semester and your student's going to learn a lot about digital art, digital media, and graphic design as a form of visual communication. We are going to be using Schoology as our platform, so that's going to be really important this semester, more so than previous semesters. It's pretty structured and organized. Your student will have weekly expectations, and during that week, they will have a certain number of things that need to get done. Some of those things will get done on the days that we're here in class, and some of those things will get done at home when they are working at home. So here's an example of an assignment and what I see from my viewpoint as far as what the students turn in. So this was our album mock-up using Photoshop and Illustrator, and one of the culminating projects we do after the students have learned how to use media, how to use photography, how to use typography to create design projects. And some students really enjoyed this, and some students really knocked it out of the park as far as what they've turned in. And this was just even in crisis learning last semester. So I'm very excited to have a little bit more structure and a little bit more understanding of what's expected this semester, because hybrid learning is not crisis teaching like we were doing previously. So you need to expect that your student will be spending at least an hour, maybe more like 90 minutes every day they're working from home on their graphic design projects. And then going back and forth between the class will be a little bit easier in this class than some of the others because they're largely going to be using their laptops. So it'll be very important to bring that back and forth. We do have a graphics lab, which will give them a little bit bigger screen and work service on the days that they're here, but just sharing files. So this is an example of the graphic design portfolio, some of the things that are done at the end. And some of them are more lessons, learning how to use Photoshop, and some of them are more typography based. We do logo design, we do branding for a company that they create, and just figuring out how to think like a graphic designer and create all the things they want to do. We make stickers, logos, magazine article layouts. Again, like I said, how to use Photoshop is a favorite and a skill that I think pretty much everybody needs to figure things out. We do have a class website that's linked on Schoology as well. So here you can see some other graphic design projects. How to make GIFs was a fun one. Black History Month posters, and getting those printed out and hung around the school. So there are some opportunities for students to do real life assignments and t-shirt designs and logo designs for other companies or businesses, organizations here at Park Hill South. So it's a pretty fun class, I'm going to have to say, and it is a lot. So daily they need to be logging on to Schoology and figuring out what we're working on in class that day. So I'm very excited to meet you. Please let me know if there's anything that you need. We'll be making sketchbooks the first day of class, and I'll be giving them a few pens and pencils and calligraphy markers, but beyond that, there shouldn't be a lot of materials that are needed. Some collage materials and some things for sketchbook assignments, but other than that, everything will be provided for them. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to meeting your student and to meeting you. Thanks so much.